Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the page orientation of your MS Word document. So if you want the orientation to change from horizontal to vertical or from portrait to landscape or vice versa, then you need to follow these simple steps. First, let's open our MS Word document. Here you can see that the correct orientation of this page is portrait, which means it is vertically aligned. So if I want it to change to any landscape orientation, all I need to do is simply click on the layout tab right here. Once I click on the layout tab, I can see this orientation button right here. Simply click on the orientation button and you can choose any orientation as per your preference. Right now it is set to portrait. To change it to landscape, simply click on the landscape button here. And now if you want to change back from landscape to portrait, you can simply repeat the same steps by clicking on the orientation button and choosing it as portrait. So now you have successfully learned on how to switch the orientation of your pages in MS Word. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Make sure to like this video, share it and subscribe the channel as well.